Hello my beautiful people, how are you? Happy Valentine's Day, happy Galentine's Day, happy whatever day you wanna be today. Today I have this beautiful girly Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day makeup inspired look, and honestly I love it so much. This was my inspo. If you guys want to see how I achieved this beautiful pink girly makeup, then keep on watching. It was also so easy. You see in the video. I started with my eyebrows as you already saw, but they are not finished yet. I'm gonna finish them at the end. I also did my skincare, and now I'm gonna go with face makeup. Usually I do my eyes first, so let's hope I won't be having any fallout, because I don't know, I kind of want to try something new today, I guess. So for foundation, I'm gonna go with this CC cream. This is not my shade, so I'm gonna blend it on my neck as well, so yeah, keep in mind this is not my shade. So I'm experiencing a little bit of the peeling, and I don't think I'm gonna set my makeup just yet. I'm gonna just do foundation, concealer, and maybe a little bit of cream contour. This concealer is freaking fire. Oh my goodness, you guys saw that? For eyeshadow, I have 4 options. I'm gonna use one eyeshadow from each palette. So from this eyeshadow, I want to use this beautiful Tenderly Light shade. Is this one is giving girly, is giving romantic, is giving soft pink. So also I'm gonna go with this shade here. This is a different palette, and from the Huda Beauty Neon palette, I want to use just a little bit of this beautiful intense pink. I'm gonna do only one eye on camera, so I'm going with this shade right here. Okay, so as you saw, I didn't use eyeshadow primer. It's okay, this concealer will do the trick. Oh my goodness, this looks so beautiful. So I want to achieve that elongated effect at the end of my eye. I think I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm gonna pick the shade, whatever the name is, just a little bit, and I'm gonna go a little bit below because I kind of want to create that cut crease in there effect. Use whatever you have at home, whatever works for you, whatever makes you feel comfortable. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this little pencil brush, and I'm gonna try to stay in that cut crease area with this shade. This is intense, so I don't know how it's gonna work for me. Wish me luck. So I feel like that's it, you guys. Next I need to fill this in with some sparkle. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I want to use. I think I'm gonna go with this. This is from a brand I do not recommend. So I'm gonna apply some in the back of my hand, on the back of my hand. I'm gonna use a flat brush with this eyeshadow. So I don't know why, but I kind of want just a little bit. This dries very fast, so wow, I can even see it. It's like barely transferring on my lid. This is super shady, like it already dried on the back of my hand. I don't want to go directly with this applicator on my eye. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna try to build this a little bit. With a small angled brush, I'm gonna go back with this beautiful pink shade, and I'm gonna enhance just a little bit that cut crease, because I want this pink to show a little bit more. Let's move on. I want to go with this glitter flakes, whatever this is. I'm scared. This glitter glue is not my favorite, but the NYX one, it did broke and I don't know what happened, but I can't take the product out of it. I don't want to cut the tube, so I'm gonna use this one instead. I'm gonna use a long brush to apply this glitter glue on my lids. Allow me to stop breathing right now. So wow, this is beautiful. I freaking love it. Wow, I did got some flakes in there. It's okay. Listen, next we're gonna do a wing liner, but I'm not gonna use a black liner. I'm gonna use eyeshadow. Next I'm taking again an angled brush and I'm gonna go with, I don't even know, should I use this shade or maybe this one? This is a little bit more purple-ish, so I think I'm gonna go with this warm brown. Wish me luck. Wow, lovely. We love. You guys see that? First of all, as you can see, I already cleaned my face. It's giving dewy again, and I love it. I'm gonna take my little sponge. That's my cat, sorry. And I'm gonna clean above or below. Wow, below my wing because I want to make it sharp. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, no worries, because from far it's gonna look fire. Let's hope I won't be getting any fallout. Okay, so we are done with the eyes. Next I'm gonna continue with my face makeup. First I'm gonna smooth out my concealer and my smile lines, and I'm gonna set my face. I'm using the Anastasia setting powder. This is in the shade Vanilla. This is new to me. I hope it works for me today, and I'm gonna use it with this brush. Wow, it's so powdery. Please work. Nice. And because I'm not gonna use highlighter, I'm gonna go with this blush. This is a baked blush, so also it looks like a highlighter on my skin. This is the Milani Luminoso. I love this so freaking much. It looks so beautiful. Baked bronzer and blushes, they are so underrated. I feel like we need to talk more. They look so beautiful, so natural. It doesn't look powdery by any means. So I'm gonna use just a little bit of this. You guys see it? I feel like it's giving glow. Oh, you can see it better now. Thanks, sun. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Wow, skin is glowing. These are the 600s. I just washed them. Okay, yesterday I washed all my fake lashes. You guys, I reuse them. I reuse them. I don't wear them once and then, buy some more. No, you can reuse them. You just need to take good care of them, and washing them is the easiest step ever. The sun is acting crazy, but I kind of like it because now you can see how intense the pink is, right? This is my first time using this and it feels so creamy. As you can see, it glides so easily on my lips. Wow. It's definitely matte. Anyway, for lipstick, I'm going with this 4-stack lipstick from Sheglam. I'm gonna use the first one because it's a little bit more pink-ish, like a nude, soft pink. This feels so nice. To finish my lips, I'm using the... Oh, this is also from Essence. I love that it has a little bit of glitters in there. And another one here. I'm using a clear lash glue because when it's drying out, you won't be able to see it. Oh my goodness, I opened this backwards. Jesus fucking Christ. This is so fucking beautiful. I love it. To complete this look, I cut 2 little ribbon things from my robe because I didn't have them in pink, so it is what it is. I'm gonna tie them on my little colitas I have here. La 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 la. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Alright, my beautiful people, so this is the final look. I love how this came up. Honestly, it's giving girly. It's giving Galentine's Day. It's giving Valentine's Day. It's giving I'm living my best life right now. Okay? So let me know what you guys think down below. Is it too much? Maybe I should change the earrings. Or maybe I should take off the little hearts. But you know what? Who cares? This is my look. And I'm gonna wear it if I feel like so. Okay? So don't let anyone to tell you otherwise. If you feel it, wear it. Asúmatelo. Okay? Today is Monday 12, okay? So I'm gonna edit this ASAP and post it for you guys. So yeah, let me know what you think down below. I hope you guys have an amazing Happy Valentine's Day. If you don't have a Valentine, well, maybe you have a Galentine, or you know what? You don't even need it, okay? Do you go out and have fun with your friends? You don't need a Valentine. You can buy yourself flowers. You can buy yourself chocolate. You don't need someone to annoy the shit out of you sometimes. And because of it, you're gonna have gray hairs. Anyway, so yeah, if you don't have a Valentine, whatever, you don't need it, okay? Do you, and you're gonna be fine. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. And I will see you guys in my next one. Subscribe if you haven't already, obviously. And from my heart to you, much love. Or, well, brain stopped working. Lovely. Bye, guys. Love you. La 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 la. It looks like I'm in kindergarten. I don't have time for this energy right now. Please, not today. Not right now, maybe a little bit later. How about that?